Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually delete all channels on your advanced S2 decoder. Maybe the channels have messed up and the channels are double or triple on your decoder and you want to actually get a newer list of channels on it. So all you got to do is to delete or then scan to get a newer list of channels. So you pick up your remote and you tap on the menu button, which takes you to the menu. Here you look for the channel edit menu, and as you can see on the screen, you come down to the last option, that's the delete all, and you're gonna proceed with OK. If you are not sure of it, you tap on the cancel to stop whatever you were doing. Okay, so you come to the OK to proceed, and everything is gone right now. There's nothing on your TV. So all you got to do, as you can see, no program on it. So you got to go to the menu if you truly want to get a new list of channels on your TV. Come to the menu and here, come here to select the TP that you're having a stable signal on it. Okay, so I'm having a stable signal with a DSTV TP, which is 12245 horizontal 27500. So if you can't find it here, you need to add. So you got to go to the TP list. Alright, TP list, and green button to add, which is 122. If it's multi-TV TP is 12525 12525 Pbteck 30K if it's multi-TV that you are doing it. Alright, so this is the multi-TV frequency and signal rate. Okay, so I'm having a DSTV, so I need to key in a DSTV, which is 1222245 Pbteck 27500. So after this, all you got to do is to scan, but make sure that you're having the signal strength have filled up and then the signal quality indicating that you're having a stable signal before you can proceed to scan. So here, if I am to search it over here, I won't get enough of the channel, so you need to go back to the antenna settings menu once again, and you come down to the start search option. You change the search option to either brand or super brand and you press OK. So FTA only, to avoid those channels with $$ sign which are not working, you need to select yes, FTA only, and you press OK to search. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you happens to be that today is your first time being on this channel, you got to do subscribe and hit the bell icon.